Hello everyone, welcome to Toolers. In this video, I am going to show you the best online PDF editor. It's called from Sejda. So this is the free tool that you can access online. With this URL, I will provide this link in the description. You can go to this page sejda.com and slash PDF editor. After that, you can upload your PDF file. For example, I have uploaded this particular PDF file. You can simply click on the row that you want to edit. You can edit any of the font given in this, any of the text you can edit. For example, summary of the qualifications. If you want to remove, you can remove, and if you want to replace with another content, you can write. Likewise, you can edit any line for that matter. The same font, the font style will be same as per your original font. You can clearly check over here. So then after editing this particular file, you can click on apply changes. So that's it, you can download the updated file. Thank you for watching.